welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miranda and this is my beauty space. So today I have a very special announcement and it means the world to me because I have a super small channel. So in today's video there will be a giveaway. I'm giving away the BH Cosmetics Pro Contour Brush Set. If you want to see how I got this look and how to enter to win these beautiful brushes, just keep watching. All right guys, so I'm going to start out. I'm going to use the Coty Airspun powder and I'm just going to put a little bit of that underneath the eye just to catch any fallout that I may have because my face is already dead. Next, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm going to just put that all over the eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And that's what I'm going to be using to cut out the crease. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Contour Palette in the banana shade and I'm just going to set that powder. First shade I'm going in with is the shade Magical. And I'm just going to use it as a crease or transition shade. Next I'm going in with the shade Potion and it's just a little bit darker just to deepen the crease and to add definition. Next, I'm going to take the color Elfish and I'm going to take a Morphe R39 brush, and it's just a more dense brush that I can use to pack that and really get that in the crease. And here guys, I'm just going to keep blending and blending and blending until there's no harsh edges. And I was actually watching Raw Christy Beauty. I was letting her videos play on my TV as I was doing this. And she is so funny. It's ridiculous. Like, she had me cracking up the whole time. But anyways, back to the tutorial or the voiceover. So I did go ahead and grab some Makeup Revolution concealer, and that's what I use to carve out this crease. And when it goes right and everything goes your way, we give it a big thumbs up. Next, I'm going to take Kaleidoscope and I'm going to use that. I love this shade, you guys. This look really, it just like wowed me because I didn't even know what I was going to do when I sat down to film. So this look I was very pleased with. So yeah, I'm just taking the Kaleidoscope out of the Dream Street palette and I'm packing it all over the crease that we cut out. So here I'm just wiping away all the excess powder and I just feel so relieved that that part is finished. I'm going to pick up Twinkle here on a Morphe brush and I am going to pack that on the inner corner and the outer corner and then just admire it for a moment because you guys, when I tell you that this thing looked good last night, girl, bye Felicia, it looked it so good. What is it looked at? Somebody please tell me. Anyways, it looked good. And I was living for it. Next, I'm going to take this Maybelline eyeliner and I'm just going to smudge it in the waterline just to make the eyes really intense and smoke out that bottom lash line. And here I'm going to go ahead and take Twinkle again, and I'm going to pop it on the inner corner of the waterline just to kind of match what we did on the top lid, how we went in the inner corner with Twinkle as well. Here I'm taking the MAC Extended Play Giga Black mascara, popping it on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to take the Carly Bible palette and use that highlighting shade right there. Pop some highlighter on so we can glow, and that's it. We about to be out the door. Out the door. What is dough? We about to be out the door. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm excited guys because this is the first time, and my channel is small. I just started in January, so I don't want to say I don't have high expectations, because I do, because sometimes you got to speak things, you know, speak positive, speak it into atmosphere. So anyways, I wanted to do a giveaway, and I know my channel is not big. I don't have thousands of subscribers. I don't even have 100 subscribers, but I'm a giver at heart, and I love blessing other people. I love giving people things, and so I don't know, I said, okay, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And I don't know, hopefully, you know, it will go to somebody who really maybe doesn't have this product, or wants it and maybe can't afford it, or not that it's very expensive, but it's just that I just wanted to do something kind, just a random act of kindness. So I was on the BH Cosmetics website, and I seen these brushes, and I thought this would be great for a giveaway. You get 3 Studio Pro brushes, and this is their brush contour set, and it says that they're cruelty free, and the brushes can be used with liquids, creams, or powders, and they are all synthetic, easy to clean bristles. And so I don't want to open them all, but I do want to show you guys what they look like, because I don't want to touch someone else's stuff, you know. And I'm going to tell you how to enter the giveaway, which is not going to be difficult, because like I said, this is my first time. So this is the brush number 15. This is a this right here is what it looks like on the box. And actually guys, these are really super, look how nice. These are really nice, and they feel really heavy and sturdy. So this is the number 15 brush. Like I said, I'm not going to open all of them. I'm not going to touch the bristles. You can look at it and tell, because, you know, I have Morphe brushes that are synthetic, and you can tell like what they look like. But that's what the number 15 brush looks like. And yeah, so are you ready to hear how to win this brush set? And I'm gonna do more. Like, I want to do these like every month, and I was deciding on like either doing like and I'm probably not gonna be able to do it every month, but I'm just saying that's my heart's good intentions. I was just like torn between, you know, what I want to do for the first one. Do I want to do something just, you know, just do something random, or I didn't know, like, you know, I was debating on whether just doing something random like this, and buying a product or a palette, or getting like a $50 or $100 gift card to Ulta or Sephora. So stay tuned for next month's video, because there will be another giveaway, and next month will be a gift card. So again guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I loved creating it. I don't know, when I look at this, when I look at my eyes, for some reason it makes me think of a kaleidoscope, and I don't know why. Maybe because that was like the shade that I actually used. That's wild. Yeah, I did. I think that's the shade that's on the lid, is Kaleidoscope. But even before I I guess, had like the palette in mind that I was going to use. I was just thinking like silvery or foil or duochrome, something like that. And then I was like, I wonder what I could use. So anyways, you guys, I'm getting ready to go. I'm getting ready to go to bed. It's almost time to get up. It's almost, what time is it? Oh my God, it's 5:01 in the morning. Wow, night shift problems. I work night shift. So yeah, this is like norm for me. I'm always up. So anyways, guys, please enter the giveaway. Let's have fun. Let's be friends. And yeah, I look forward to announcing the winner in Sunday's video. So until next time, you know what to do. Stay beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my, being all loud with the giveaway. Keep these for myself. Ooh. Bye, Felicia.